Good morning, Huskies. I hope you're all having a great day. Today we're going to start our last math video of the year. So we're going to start getting our counting warming up by looking at the calendar. So we're in the month of June. We're in a brand new month. And Huskies, I have circled the day. This is the day that we're on. First, I want to count and see how many days we've had in June. So we're going to count up until the circled day. Let's start here. Help me count and see how many days we've had in June. 1, 2, 3. Huskies, how many days have we had in June so far? Good. We've had 3 days. Can you show me 3 with your fingers? Good. We have 3 days. Now, Huskies, this is all the days we have until the last day of school. On this day, the 11th day of school of June, we will have our graduation ceremony, and you will move up to kindergarten. That is so exciting, Huskies. But the red days are the school days we have left. So I want to count how many red days we have in June, how many days of school we have this month. So let's start here and help me count the red days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Huskies, how many days of school do we have left in June? You're right, Huskies, we have 9 days. Can you show me 9 with your fingers? Good. So you notice that this is the 11. We have 11 days total, but 2 of them are not school days. So we have 9 days total. Okay, Huskies, so that's all with the calendar. So we're going to say bye to the calendar. Say bye, calendar. And we have a really fun activity today. Today, our activity involves some mystery bags. And I wonder what are in our mystery bags. And we're going to learn what's in our mystery bags as we go through our lesson. But today we're going to practice adding again. Now the last time we practiced adding, we practiced crossing. We practiced crossing out for subtracting. And we also practiced like drawing pictures and counting how many total things we had. Today we're going to practice it a little bit differently. We're going to practice using our fingers to add things up. So here I have my lunchbox, and I packed 2 things of fruit. Huskies, what do you think I packed for my lunch? What's one piece of food you think I packed? Let's find out. Huskies, what did I pack for lunch today? I packed an apple. So Huskies, I want to see how many apples I have today. So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Huskies, how many apples did I pack for lunch? You're right, Huskies. I had 3 apples. So I'm going to write 3 in the color red. Now, Huskies, I have 1 more thing of food. What do you think I have next? Let's find out. Huskies, I have 1 banana. How many bananas do I have? You're right, I have 1 banana. So I'm going to write 1 in red. But Huskies, I want to see how many pieces of food I have all together. I have 3 apples and 1 banana. So what I'm going to do is for the apples, you see, Huskies, I have 3 apples. We're going to take our hand and show me the 3 with your hand. Good. And keep that up. And now I'm going to put the apples down, but I still have the number 3 up with my hand. And Huskies, I had 1 banana. So with your other finger, with your other hand, I want you to hold up 1 finger. So I have 3 in my one hand and I have 1 in my other hand. And I'm going to practice adding by counting up how many total fingers I have standing. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huskies, how many fingers do I have up all together? You're right, Huskies, 4. Because when you have 3 and you add 1, that gives you 4. And we know that's true because I can count all my pieces of food, and I know I have 4 pieces of food. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of food. So Huskies, that is how we add using our fingers. So I have another mystery bag, and I'm curious what is in my mystery bag. And we're going to practice counting with our fingers. So I'm going to erase these numbers. Now, Huskies, I want everybody to look outside. If there's a window, look outside. What is the weather like where you are? Tell me what the weather is like. Where I am, it's really sunny. So I want different things to help keep the sun out of my eyes. If I go outside, what's something I can wear to keep the sun out of my eyes? One thing I can think of is a hat. So I have some hats, Huskies. I packed all my hats. Now, let's find out how many hats I have. I have 1, 2, oh my gosh, I have some more. 3, 4. Huskies, how many hats do I have? I have 4 hats, Huskies. 4 hats. Can you show me 4? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you show me 4 with your fingers? Good, Huskies. Show me 4 with your fingers and keep that up. Keep the number 4 up with your fingers. Now, Huskies, I have something else. What's something else that I can wear to keep the sun out of my eyes, in addition to my hat? You're right, Huskies. I can wear sunglasses. I have, how many pairs of sunglasses do I have? I have 1 pair of sunglasses. Huskies, can you, with your other hand, so with your first hand, hold up the number 4. With your other hand, can you show me 1 finger for 1 pair of sunglasses? You're right, Huskies. So I have 4 hats and 1 pair of sunglasses. Let me draw that. I'm going to draw, that's going to be my hat. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 1 pair of sunglasses. So can everybody hold up 4 for the hats and 1 for the sunglasses? And let's count our fingers to figure out how many hats and sunglasses we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 fingers. And one way that I can especially be good at counting when I'm using my fingers is I can put my fingers down as I count. So watch what I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I counted until all my fingers went away. Huskies, how many fingers did I have holding up? You're right. I had 5 fingers. Because I had my 4 hats and 1 pair of sunglasses. I put them together. And 4 and add 1 gives you 5. Okay, Huskies. We're going to erase the board. And now I'm going to show you how I want you to do your homework. So when you do your homework, you're going to go on the Seesaw and you're going to click that green add response. And you're going to see a piece of paper with a bunch of different math numbers. And each problem is going to have 2 numbers. It's going to have a blue number and it's going to have an orange number. So one problem you might see is you might see a blue 3 and an orange 2. And so what that is asking you is, what is 3 and 2 put together? What do you get when you add 3 and 2? So what you're going to need to do is you're going to take your writing hand, whichever hand you write with, and you're going to look at the blue number, and you're going to hold that many fingers up. So I see a blue 3, so I'm going to hold 3 fingers up. And then you're going to look at the orange number, and you're going to take your other hand, and you're going to hold that many fingers up. So I see an orange 2, I'm going to hold 2 fingers up in my other hand. And you're going to put them together, and you're going to count how many fingers you have all together. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put my fingers down, and I'm going to count as I tuck away each finger to see how many fingers I tucked away. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huskies, how many fingers did I tuck away? You're right, I tucked away 5 fingers. So then you're going to write the answer, the total number, in red. And you're going to do that for each problem. Huskies, I'm going to show you how to do that for 2 more problems. So the next question you're going to see is you're going to see a blue 1 and an orange 4. So we need to figure out what is 1 and 4 put together. What is 1 plus 4? So with the blue one, I'm going to take the hand that I write with, I'm going to hold up 1 finger. And then I'm going to look at the orange number. I'm going to take my other hand. I'm going to hold up that many fingers. I'm going to hold up 4 fingers. Huskies, and now I'm going to tuck away my fingers, and I'm going to count to see how many fingers I have up all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huskies, how many fingers did I just put away? You're right, I put away 5 fingers. So I'm going to write equals 5 in red. You're going to write the answer in red. Ooh, Huskies. This next problem is a big number. Are you ready for a big number? This is going to be the last one that I'm going to show you how to do. So the next one you're going to see is going to be a blue 5 and then an orange 5. Ooh, that's a lot of fingers. So with my writing hand, I see the blue 5. I'm going to take the hand I write with, and I'm going to hold 5 fingers up. And then I see an orange 5. I'm going to take my other hand. I'm going to hold 5 fingers up. Huskies, can you all hold 5 fingers up in both of your hands? Now, I'm going to count how many fingers I have up. So each time I fold a finger in, I'm going to count. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huskies, how many fingers did I just put away? You're right, 10 fingers. And then I'm going to write the number 10 in red. And you're going to do that same thing using your fingers to add the numbers together and writing the answers in red for each problem you see. And then you're going to click the green check mark to turn in your assignment. Have a great day, Huskies.